Hey guys, we got an INFINITI Q50 and it has a full MBRP system. Axle back, there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2018 Q60 yellow jacket colors. I like it. It's different. It's really cool looking. As you guys can see right there, what we got done on it. Got factory converters there and there. Flex pipes there. Then it came a single. I'll show it to you guys in a second. And then what we did is true dualed it, 2-inch pipe. It comes with like 1 3/4 pipe, believe it or not, guys. We trued it with 2-inch pipe all the way back into some blue flame 5-inch tips. Because why not? It fits that gap really nicely. Accents the yellow really nice. Look at that, guys. Just came out really nice. There and there. He just bought it and brought it right to us. This is his like second or third car we do for him. That was the old setup on it. Look how ugly that is. Ew. We gotta kick it. Ew. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Masterpiece. Disgusting. Masterpiece. So we'll let you guys. And like Tim always says, what?
It's pretty.
It's pretty. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, subscribe. Q50. Go ahead. There's sound decibels. What do you guys think? It's a lot. It's really neat. Different sound. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds so nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Better? I love it. Again? There's sound decibels. Bro, it hit 118. That's so crazy. Gotta back it up. Yellow Hornet. Yellow jacket. Let you guys hear on the inside. INFINITI Q50. Give her gas. What do you think? All right, get on it. INFINITI Q60.